This is a review for question number 4. Go ahead and turn to number 4 in your review guide. As we look at this one, this is one of those questions when I say I have 25% hard, 50% right down the middle, and 25% easy questions. This is an easy one. Should be. As I look through this and it says, which type of cloud is responsible for thunderstorms? Thunderstorms, so responsible for thunderstorms. As I go through and look at this, I know that cirrus clouds are made of ice and fair weather that day. They may predict weather later, but not for that day, so therefore I can eliminate cirrus clouds. Cirrostratus clouds are stratus clouds that are higher in the sky, again made of ice crystals. These clouds are also not going to be responsible for thunderstorms. Now I have two, cumulus or cumulonimbus. I know that nimbo and nimbus is the prefix and suffix for rain. I'm looking for thunderstorms. Cumulonimbus are also the clouds that are responsible for hail, so I know that the answer is cumulonimbus.